Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku, second Sudoku out of 6. And in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 31st, 2020, this second Sudoku is or will be number 1436. All right, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Previous Sudoku has 27, so I think this one has 26. Let me check. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, plus 1 is 18, 18 plus 4 is equal to 22, 23, 24 plus 2 is 26, correct. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between. The only place for the 5 should be there. In this middle column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here a 5, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. Here a 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then. The 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. And now. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those numbers are the 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 6 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? The number in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then Then in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in this column. A 6 in one of these 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 would be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? The number 2. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes in there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 3 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers, the 2 and the 9 in this big square, I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them for you. And then I can also mark these 2 boxes because those numbers are the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9, and also 2 and the 9. Well. 1, 2, 2. Yes, 2 in this column. 2 in one of these 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 2. The only place for the 2 should be here. And now, 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Let me mark them for you. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing here in the second column. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5. Yeah. And now 6. Yeah. 7. Yeah, we have a pair here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Together with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 here. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers. In the first row, one of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 8, 4, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row, the 8 and the 4, the 8 and the 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 6. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now, 2 numbers left. In the middle row for the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing, yes. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, because the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 4. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the numbers 5. 5 is missing. Wow. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 40 minutes. Yes. Quicker than the previous one. So you cannot tell the printed numbers are less than the previous Sudoku. It will be more difficult. No. It depends. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like the Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute, maybe in 2 minutes, I do not know. Yeah. Thank you, and bye bye for now.